friends. If you are watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I would love to hear your comments and feedback. Do mention in the comment section below. Check the description box for the ingredient list. There are days when we don't feel like cooking an elaborate meal. It would be great to spend the day reading a book or watching a movie or binge watching Netflix. It would be great if we can prepare our meals in a jiffy. Here is the perfect menu for that. These are traditional recipes which all of us would be aware, but tweaking the method to make it easier is our motto. Let's begin with the garlic pepper rasam. This is a recipe passed on from my mother-in-law. This needs no soaking of tamarind and can be prepared in a few minutes. I have taken 10 to 12 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon rasam powder. The link to the rasam powder recipe is given in the description box. A very small piece of tamarind. No need to soak the tamarind as we will be grinding with the other ingredients. 1 teaspoon jeera or cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon pepper. 2 tomatoes, a few curry leaves, a little hing, salt to taste, a pinch of turmeric, 2 tablespoons cooked tur dal, which we will dilute in a cup of water. If you have not cooked tur dal, you can skip it and add water. This can be had as a soup too. It is very effective for cold and body pain. The garlic and pepper are excellent remedies for cold. Let's begin grinding the tomatoes, garlic, pepper, jeera, tamarind into a paste. Add water to the paste. Around 1 cup of water will be needed. Add the required salt, turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon rasam powder and boil for 10 minutes till the raw smell of the garlic goes away. Add a few curry leaves and hing. It has boiled and thickened. Now let's dilute the tur dal in 1 cup of water and add it to adjust the consistency. Boil it till you see the froth on top. Switch off the stove. Now to temper, in a kadai, add a few drops of ghee, quarter teaspoon mustard seeds. Allow it to splatter. Add a few curry leaves, switch off and add to the rasam. This can be mixed with rice or had as a soup. Next, an iron enriched togayal or chutney. This can be mixed with hot rice. I have taken 2 tablespoons urad dal, 4 dry red chilies, 2 tablespoons grated coconut or a few pieces, a small piece of tamarind. Adding tamarind to dishes dominated by curry leaves reduces the bitter taste of it. 2 handfuls of chopped coriander leaves, a handful of curry leaves. In a kadai, add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil and roast the tamarind, dry red chilies, urad dal. Keep the flame on low. The urad dal will turn golden brown. Add a little hing, curry leaves, chopped coriander leaves and switch off. Allow to cool. Add salt, coconut and grind to a paste with little water. Healthy togayal is ready. Now I am going to make chow chow kootu. I have cooked quarter cup of moong dal with a little turmeric. In a 3-liter cooker, I add 2 tablespoons of water. Add the chopped chayote or chow chow. Here I have used 2 chow chows. Add the cooked moong dal on the top. If you add the cooked dal in the bottom layer, it will char and give out a burnt taste. So don't change the order of layering. Add the required salt, quarter teaspoon of sambar powder and a little hing. Close and cook for 2 whistles. In the meanwhile, let's grind a few pieces of coconut. This will be equal to around quarter cup of grated coconut. Add 2 tablespoons of curry powder. The link to the curry powder recipe is given in the description box. Adding this curry powder gives a very good taste to the kootu. Grind with a few teaspoons of water It should be a thick paste. By now, 2 whistles are done. Switch off, release pressure, open and mix well. Add the coconut and curry powder paste and boil for a few minutes. It will thicken. You can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to adjust the consistency. For tempering, in a kadai add half teaspoon ghee, quarter teaspoon mustard, 1 teaspoon urad dal. Allow the dal to turn golden brown. Add this to the kootu. Yummy kootu is ready. I had made all these 3 simultaneously and my lunch was over in 20 to 25 minutes. A simple, easy menu and lot of time to relax is a perfect one to rejuvenate on a weekend. Do mention in the comments on how you would like to relax on a weekend. Happy woman, happy home. Let's make cooking easier and healthier. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Subscribe to Simple Trends and hit the bell icon to get instant updates on our new videos. Your feedback and comments are important to us. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Bye.